What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and as you can see, we're in the Turbo GMC and we are on our way to Bass Pro to meet up with a bunch of other trucks, YouTubers, whatever shows up, really. Sendit Steve organized something and we're gonna ride up and check it out. Good possibility we're gonna get kicked out. I'm sure Steve didn't get permission, so hey, it's a public parking lot. We're gonna ride up, check it out, see what we see. Enjoy the ride. Now we got something coming up behind us here that's bright green with black stripes. Let's move over and see what he is. It's definitely a Mustang. Isn't anything. Anybody we know? I don't think so, but we're about to see. Nope. Just a GT. Alright, we're pulling up here. Looks like there's some trucks over there, some of them unloading. We need to go in here and actually make an adjustment to the truck. I'll show you when we get there. Alright, as you can see, we have our H2 wheels on the back and we have the fuel wheels on the front. And the reason I did that is to drive up here. It's quite a long drive, and I didn't want to drive on that cracked fuel wheel. But it definitely looks way better with the fuel wheels on. So let's go ahead and just get this changed around. We're in a different part of the parking lot than everyone's meeting at, so we got our stuff. Let's just go ahead and change this and then we'll drive on up there. I know it sounds goofy, but it's safer this way. All right, much better. We got the fuel wheels all the way around it. Now let's drive around the parking lot to the actual show. So we got a few cars out here, some lifted trucks. There's the Excursion. That's a huge Jeep, it looks like. Yeah, let's get parked here. There's the Top Line Racer. We're just gonna pull around here and find an empty spot somewhere.
I know. Where you supposed to go? Down south.
Got some large trucks here. Here's that Excursion that we went four-wheeling with. Looks like he just put some new wheels and tires on it. It's a big truck. There's Steve's 450 in comparison, and it's, shoot, 5 or 6 inches taller, looks like to me. So get all the way before we get run over by a Dodge. He's got music playing in there, so we'll kind of stay away from there. There's a big Ford on 44s. .60 Bros truck. There's Jared's truck. It's now a 6.7, but he's still got the 6.0 he's working on. There's a clean 03. I was talking to this guy. It's a really, really nice truck. Top Line Racer truck. Here's the old Whistling Diesel truck that was completely destroyed. He put a new cab and just completely restored this thing. Came out nice.
No, they were fiberglass fenders, so I mean, factory they were like aluminum.
Got a GMC Sprint. You don't see these much at all. Pretty clean. Pretty much a Chevelle from like here up. This is a 72. Nice clean car truck. Of course, here's actually a really clean black SS pickup. Always like these trucks. And we have the GMC hanging out over here. We had some people buy it when we first pulled in. Now it kind of cooled off a little bit, but there she is. There is a giant Ford on 44s. I'm not even sure what's under the hood. I can't see up here, but you guys probably can.
Sounds like all right, good. Let's shoot for that. All right, buddy. Thanks for coming down.
We even got the giant Polaris Ranger out here with a Suzuki Samurai drivetrain. It's got 44s on it, stock motor, and he just adapted the transfer case. It's got the shifter underneath there. It's pretty funny.
Hey, Steve, I got a little.
Alright guys, everyone's starting to move around here. We got Jared from 60 Bros.
What's up?
There's always that one guy. And you knew it'd have to be Steve. The 450 is getting nasty. And he lost. All right guys, we are in the Best Buy parking lot, as you can see, and we're gonna change our wheels back over. So I don't know why this was right up the road. I thought I could get we need a new printer for home, and apparently they're out of printers. So anyway, long story short, we need to change these back so we can drive home safely. All right, we got them swapped over. Let's head home. Thanks, Best Buy. All right, guys, as you can see, we made it back home with the Turbo GMC. All's fine. It actually has, well, we have our 35s on the back here, the H2 wheels, and you saw us changing that over. Made it nice and safe to drive home, but it does make the truck have a little bit of squat. I don't know if you can see that or not. Of course, there is something going on back here too. Don't worry about that. That's just an aluminum block LS, but we'll get to that later. That's another video entirely. But yeah, everything worked out good. Some definitely interesting characters showed up. It's a public event, so yeah, anyone can show up. So it was interesting to say the least, but it all worked out good. Everyone seemed to have a good time. So thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.